Well, our clients are the most important people here at 1 Hour. They're part of the 1 Hour family.
Here at 1 Hour, we have an apprentice program where we hire and train people to become HVAC technicians. It's a great opportunity to begin a career without the expense of trade school. The program, however, is difficult to enter. We're very protective of our clients. We only want to spend the time training people with integrity who will always do the right thing for our clients. If you're curious about the apprenticeship program, let me introduce you to some people who will explain it further.
Jonathan Blatchley, the owner of 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning.
Who was the first owner?
My father, Raymond Blatchley.
I am Raymond Blatchley, spelled Ramon.
My name is Megan McFadden, and I have worked here for 4 years. My title is Internal-External Relations Manager. I also do hiring and recruitment as well.
So explain, just somebody has been accepted into the apprenticeship program. What's their life going to be like? Like, how long does it take, and how long are they kind of being taught by us before they're out in the truck? And so
we say that the apprenticeship program takes a full year. For the first 3 months, a lot of what an apprentice does is they are around our 2 buildings and they are cleaning, they are sweeping, they are mopping, they are occasionally running errands to go pick up parts or do different things that technicians need.
Certainly bringing in people that you believe are going to fit into your culture is important. Therefore, it's difficult to identify someone as an individual of integrity upon first meeting them in an interview or even a subsequent interview.
how long have you worked here?
Actually, I'm going to hit my 7-year anniversary in a few weeks. Probably 5 interviews and ride-alongs and sit-downs, and I was like, is this place NASA? Like, it is difficult to get into. And but finally I got the opportunity, and yeah, it's been almost 7 years.
Being able to fully identify someone as a person of integrity in any walk of life is going to take getting to know that person over an extended period of time. But ultimately, you're still not going to be 100% sure on whether that individual captivates the company's moral stance until you've had opportunities to put that person in positions where they need to make decisions and you can evaluate them.
So that's a lot of the first 3 months is where they're here in-house. And then we start having them take classroom sessions with our service manager who teaches them the basics of HVAC. Yeah, it's a huge expense on our part. We take on a lot of risk, and so it is, that's why we are so particular with our apprentice class.
Before we just hire someone and send them out into our clients' homes, we're not going to send out someone who might have just been hired in the last month or two. The people that are being sent out into the homes are people that have worked here at the shop for most likely probably at least a year in the shop in various roles before they're allowed then to go out into people's homes. And that way we are assured at that point in time that we are only sending out individuals with integrity into people's homes who will do what is right in every circumstance.
Why are you so concerned about if somebody is ready to be in front of clients or not?
I guess a lot of it would come back to the age-old adage of, it takes a lifetime to build up a reputation, positive reputation, but it can be destroyed in a blink of an eye. And we're very aware of that, especially when it's now a generational company where mom and dad have spent over 30 years doing what's right, establishing trust and confidence with our clients in the community. And we now have to continue carrying that torch each time a 1 Hour technician knocks on a door in Johnson County. They are continuing the tradition of doing what's right that was started over 35 years ago.
It's just amazing the number of people that we've been servicing for so many years, and it's just genuinely caring for these people. These homes are our homes. We take care of those homes, and so we work really, really hard at what kind of technician we put in the home. We've got a whole fleet of guys and gals that are just excellent at what they do, are good people, both for the technical things as well as the customer service kinds of things. And so we want this to be a highlight of the day that, oh gosh, we had a really great visit with the air conditioner guy today. So we always do the right thing, whether it means making money or not making money. It really is, it's about doing the right thing. And really, those are simple principles, but they work, and people appreciate that.